Looking for a smart dimmer that's reliable, easy to use, and packed with features? Meet the Lutron Caséta Smart Dimmer, designed to make your home lighting smarter and more convenient. What's in the box? Inside the box, you will find the Lutron Caséta Smart Dimmer, wall plate, wire connectors, screws, user manual. Installation. Switch off the circuit breaker and make sure the power is completely off before starting. Unscrew the old wall switch and carefully pull it out to access the wiring. Connect the green wire to the house ground wire. Connect the black wire to the incoming line wire. Connect the red wire to the load wire going to the light. If a neutral wire is present, connect it to the remaining black wire. Secure the switch in the wall back box using the supplied screws, then attach the faceplate. Turn the circuit breaker back on and verify that the dimmer buttons operate correctly. How to pair. Download and install the Hue app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the Lutron app and sign in or create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your smart hub if it's not already set up. Once the hub is connected, tap Settings, then Add Device, and select In-Wall Dimmer. Press and hold the off button on the dimmer for about 10 seconds until the LED lights start flashing. The app will automatically detect the dimmer. When it's found, assign it to a room, give it a name, and tap Done to finish the setup. App functions. Remote lighting control. Schedules and timers. Custom scenes. Smart home and voice control. Device and room management. Smart features. Connect to the Lutron Smart Hub for remote control, automations, and smart home integration. Works with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Home, SmartThings, and many other smart home platforms. Set automatic schedules or sync your lights with sunrise and sunset for hands-free control. Automatically turn lights on when you arrive home and off when you leave using your phone's location. Randomly turns lights on and off while you're away to help make your home look occupied. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.